Hey y'all. So let me address the elephant in the room. This hair. I will talk about it. I have a full video coming up about it. Alright, so today I will be talking about the Maybelline Face Studio blender. And it looks like this. I already with it. It is a little tiny. Like how beauty blenders are small before you whip them. But this is a little different than a beauty blender. It has a little scoop in it. It's almost like an ice cream scoop. So imagine an ice cream scooper. It has that much taken off. It is soft. It still makes that little sh noise I don't like. But yeah, that's not here or there. We are here to see how well this sponge performs. So first I'm just gonna prime a little bit. For foundation, because I'm using the Maybelline blender, I'm gonna use the Maybelline foundation. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin foundation. This sponge again. And I'm gonna pump some of this foundation on the back of my hand. Just dab it on my face. And then I'm gonna blend her out. I'm just gonna use this side right here, not the swoop side, but the flat back. And just work into my skin. Might need a darker shade of foundation. This sponge does pick up a lot of product. It can be a good thing and a bad thing, because if you want full coverage, then you won't be blending for a minute. But if you like your everyday girl, I ain't like minimal makeup, this sponge is gonna be like perfect for you. And it's like $7, or is it $5? It's $5 to $7. So that still beats. That still beats the $20 blender. Just trying to build it up a little more. I want just a little more coverage in my cheek area. I don't know what's up with my camera and focusing. Now I'm using the Maybelline concealer. It's also the Better Skin line, and I think this is in medium. Yeah, 40 medium. And it's curious if you can hear them playing the dang game. So I'm gonna let this sit for a little while. So while this is sitting, I'm gonna contour with my Wet n Wild contour stick and Call Me Maple. This Cosmetics brush from a set, and just blend this out. Okay, now I'm just gonna use this sponge one more time. With this side, I guess. And now I know where it's a scoop, because it gets right in the under eye area perfectly, like right in there. I'm gonna use the scoopy side and set my under eye with the Coty Loose Bond powder. Not Loose Bond, the Coty Air Spond powder. Not that. Oh, this applies a lot. Nice amount of product. I really one time dipping in there would be perfect situation for you under eye. Now I'm going to set my entire face with the Better Skin face powder. Okay, now I'm going to speed the rest of this little face part up and come back with my final thoughts on the sponge. Okay, so I'm finished with my face. Nothing too fancy, nothing too spectacular. I just put on cork lip liner and I put on this gloss by MAC called Diddly Dazzle. But anyway, to show my goes on, and my final little thoughts about this is that it's another beauty blender situation. Not necessarily a beauty blender, because ain't nobody made one quite as versatile as a beauty blender. But this is another great alternative to the beauty blender in comparison wise. I absolutely love this little area right here for under eye, for setting, for baking. I can see myself reaching for this sponge. More than my teardrop sponges. And although NYX has a sponge that's similar to this, this is a little more uncomfortable under the eye because it's very blunt and sharp at the tip, whereas this point is like, it's very comfortable. It's not hard at the end of it. It's not hard at the end of this tip. It's real soft when you with it. I didn't have many hopes or expectations for this sponge, but now I absolutely like it. So if you are at the drugstore and you see this sponge, let me show you the packaging. And I don't know if they have several like L'Oreal, but I do know this was the only one in the case. So go ahead, screenshot this on your screen, girl, because this is exactly what the packaging looks like. So this is what you need to look for. I will be doing more looks with this sponge. I might need to go buy me another one just to have a backup. I like to buy stuff in 2s and 3s. I don't know, it's something in my mind. But yes, if you see this sponge, you need this. Like if you're a sponge hoarder, you need this. If you're just a person that likes to do their makeup and just go, you need this. I actually like this better than the Real Technique one. That says a lot because the Real Technique one is like $4.99 and that's like $1 or $2 more. But anyway, I love you guys so very much, and until next time, bye beautiful.